In this video, I will show you how to check for TikTok account security without any stress. This is very much important for everyone that have TikTok account to be sure that your account is fully safe and secure. Let me show you how. Open up your TikTok app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile. Then click on this three slider from the top. Click on this three slider. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings and privacy. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on security and permission right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on security checkup. Just like so. Under the security checkup right here, these are the 6 ways to secure your TikTok account right now as at the time of making this video. First and first, make sure your phone number is updated, your email account is updated, you enable your 2-step verification, and likewise, you always check your devices for login and security activity and passkey is enabled to your TikTok account. With this 6 method, your account will be fully safe and secure. Just make sure that everything here turns dark green so you can review security activity, no new security activity in the last 30 days. Click on OK. Then you can click on your device right here. Check on the device that having access to your TikTok account to be sure if you are the only one that is using your TikTok account. If you find out any unrecognized device right here, all you have to do is to take a proper action. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to secure your TikTok account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.